or you don't put it to stop. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Good day, Ma'am Rika. We are Group 2 from USU for the subject Practical Research. So today, we're going to discuss what is quantitative research. So first and foremost, I am KJ Nikasi Akagaring. So what is quantitative research? Quantitative research is a systematic investigation that focuses on quantifying data and variables to understand patterns, relationships, or trends.
Good day, Ma'am Rika. My name is Crisandra Leia J. Zayas, and to continue with, quantitative research uses numerical data to test hypotheses and measure outcomes, and make generalization about a population. Quantitative research is a method of studying that uses numbers and statistics. It involves collecting numerical data such as survey, tests, and measurements, using the result to test a hypothesis or answer a question.
Research is a way of studying something using numbers and data. It helps answer questions like how many, how often, or what percentage. For example, if you survey 100 students to find out how many of them like a certain subject, that is quantitative research. It's focused on collecting and analyzing numbers to understand facts.
Good day, Ma'am Rika. My name is Maria Genevieve H. Laparan, and we will be discussing the numbers, scales, graphs, and percentage in quantitative research. What is numbers? The numbers in quantitative research appears after the survey, which the researcher counts the answers of the respondents. It uses how much, how many, and how often. Example, how many students that has 90% of their general average?
Good day, Ma'am. I'm Kate Chirikisa Kathleen, and I'm discussing about skill. In quantitative research, a skill refers to a system used to measure variables and assign numbers to them in a meaningful way. Skills help researchers to quantify attitudes, opinions, behavior, or other characteristics, making it easier to researchers to analyze and interpret data.
Good morning, Ma'am. My name is James Garnish. I'm going to discuss graph and percentage. What is graphs? Graph is visually displayed data and trend relationship. And percentage is express values as a function of 100 facilitating comparison of understanding proportion result of data set.
Good day, Ma'am Rika. I am Princess Eliza Bertran, and I will be discussing the respondents of quantitative research. In quantitative research, respondents are individuals who participate by providing data. Typically through survey, questionnaires, or interviews. They are also known as participants or subject. Respondents can be randomly selected by the population, or it can also be purposefully selected based on the specific criteria.
Good day, Ma'am Rika. My name is Merjun Warabi, and these are the types of respondents. Number 1, survey participants. These are the individuals who complete online or offline surveys. Number 2, the interviewers. They are the people who participate in structured or semi-structured interviews. Number 3, experimental subjects. Participants in experiments or clinical trials. Number 4, panels members. Individuals who participate in online panels or focus groups. Number 5, customers or clients. People who provide feedback through customer satisfaction surveys.
Good day, ma'am. My name is James Emmanuel M. Binongo, and I will be discussing the close-ended in quantitative research. So what is close-ended in quantitative research? Close-ended in quantitative research is a type of survey or research question that provides respondent with a verified choice answer or categorized, allowing for quantitative analysis or statistical comparison.
Good morning, Memorica. I am Jeremy Kabudoy, and I am here today to discuss close-ended questions. Close-ended questions is a predefined option making data easy to analyze and examine. For example, how are you satisfied with our service? Very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, or very dissatisfied.
Good day, Ma'am Rica. My name is Mike Gian Epera. Here are the examples of close-ended and quantitative research. How often do you exercise? A. Daily. B. Weekly. C. Monthly. D. Rarely. How satisfied are you with our product? Very satisfied. B. Somewhat satisfied. C. Neutral. D. Somewhat dissatisfied. E. Very satisfied.
This structural approach can help researchers to gather clear and formative data.
Good day, Ma'am Rica. My name is Giancarlo Disilay. I am presenting about the topic of survey. The survey. Survey is a research method used to collecting data from people or organizations. The purpose of surveys aims to gather information, opinion, or attitude about the specific topic or issue. And they have two types of survey, the qualitative and the quantitative. Jordan will explain the qualitative and the quantitative.
Hey ma'am, I'm Jordan J. Flores in this class. What is qualitative and quantitative research? Qualitative research is a focus on collecting and analyzing the non-numerical data. And quantitative research refers to the numerical data and mathematical techniques to analyze, to understand the phenomenon or problems.
Hey, Ma'am Rica, I'm John Winyu Vargas. What is a survey scale? Survey scale are used to measure attitude, opinions, behavior, and characteristics of a population. Scale is a series of response options which the respondents select to indicate their feelings about the measure attribute. In other words, survey scale used to simplify the answers of your respondents that you can use into measurable and manageable that you can also analyze after the surveying period.